In a world full of noise, the Teen Growth Academy gives you a chance to pause, reflect, and look ahead. This is a ferrying camp like no other. We ask who we are and who do we want to be. What do we want for ourselves and what do we want for the world? We explore confidence, communication, and well-being, and all of the challenges that come with growing up. And we do it all in English. Through workshops, mindfulness, theatre games, and meditations, tons of meaningful conversations with new friends from all across Germany, we're going to take this time to pause, reflect, and discover what comes next. Level Up's Teen Growth Academies are hosted at beautiful D.H locations. Whether you want a forest or a lake, the Deutsche Jugendherberge have got you covered. So, visit levelupenglish.de for more information, or see your local DJH website to find out the nearest camp to you. Grow with purpose. Level Up's Teen Growth Academy.